Now we'll start our third question, that is quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R is given as 5x minus 13. Angle N is 4x plus 4. We have to find the measure of angle R and angle N. R and N both is given us, but in terms of x it is given. So we have to find its actual value. What is the measure of these two angles we have to find? So first of all we will find the value of x, then by substituting the value of x here we can find the measure of these two angles. Now here for this question figure is not given, so we will draw the figure with our own, so it will be easy to understand. Quadrilateral MRPN is given as cyclic. Cyclic means the all 4 points of this quadrilateral will lie on a same circle. So now we will see its solution. So here I have taken one of a circle. On this circle I will take 4 points M, R, P and N. So this is point M, this is point R, this is point P and this is point N. So here angle R is given to us. Angle R is 5x minus 13. So I will first of all join all these 4 points, so it will become a quadrilateral. So I have joined all the 4 points, so it is a quadrilateral and all the 4 points on a same circle, so it is cyclic quadrilateral. Now this angle is given as 5x minus 13 degree and angle N is given as 4x plus 4 degree. If we will observe it carefully, these two angles are nothing but opposite angle, and they are the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. And we have the cyclic quadrilateral theorem that the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. The meaning of supplementary is nothing but addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So this is only the method or the theorem we will apply here to solve this question. So first of all we will see what is given to us. It is given to us that angle R is 5x minus 13 and angle N is 4x plus 4. And we have to find angle R as well as angle N. So now we will start our solution. So solution will start. Then the quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral. If it is cyclic quadrilateral, then only we can apply the cyclic quadrilateral theorem here. The theorem says opposite angles are supplementary. So angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. That is theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Now we'll substitute angle R and N, that is these two values which is given to us. So angle R is 5x minus 13 and angle N is 4x plus 4 and equal to 180 degree. Now in this, between these two bracket here the plus sign. So first of all we'll open this bracket, and whenever the plus sign is there between the bracket, no change will be there in the second bracket. So now we will take like that only, that is 5 minus 13 then plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. Now what we will do, we will take both the x term together and both this term together. So 5x plus 4x will take and minus 13 plus 4 will take. So 5x plus 4x is nothing but 9x and minus 13 plus 4 plus minus minus. So 13 minus 4 will be 9. But the 13 is a greater number, so we will put the sign of the greater number. So 13 having the sign minus, so we will take the minus sign here. Now this minus, we will minus 9 we will take on other side, so it will become plus 9. So 9x is equal to 180 from here and minus 9, so we have taken here, so it will be plus 9. Now 180 plus 9 will become 189. Here 9 is in multiplication. Whenever I will take this 9 on other side, so it will become in division. So we will see here it is x is equal to 180 upon 9, that is divided by 9. Now this 189 we can divide by 9. So we will divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and again 9 ones are 9. So we have got the value of x is equal to 21 degree. I have taken here degree for the x because x is nothing but the part of a measure of angle here. Therefore, it is also in degree. Now, we will find the measure of each angle by substituting the value of x. So, first angle we have to find is angle R. which is given as 5x minus 13. So what we will do, 5 we will take like that only. In between 5 and x nothing is there, that means multiply. So we will put multiply and then value of x. So 5 into 21 minus 13. Now 21 5s is nothing but 105 and minus 13. Whenever we will subtract 13 from 105, we will got the value here 92 degree. So angle R is equal to 92. Similarly, by substituting the value of x, we will find angle N. So now our angle N is 4x plus 4. Now again we will take 4 like that only, in between multiply and value of x is 21. So here 21 and then plus 4 as it is. 21 4s is nothing but 84, then plus 4. And 84 plus 4 is nothing but 88. So like that we have got two angles, that is angle R and angle N. So we have completed our third question.